All right, let me see. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it works. Guys, so we're gonna learn how to crack our back standing. So Julie, let's go through it, okay? So we're gonna kick one leg a certain direction. You're gonna kick it across the body. With the opposite shoulder, you're gonna rotate towards that leg, but all at the same time. So this leg up and across, that leg or that shoulder across. There we go, just like that. You hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So here's why. Quick example, okay? When this leg comes across, it's rotating the pelvis this way. When the shoulder goes across, it's rotating the upper body that way. So you're getting this twisting motion in those joints right there. And that's why you're getting that quick back crack. But it works. Crazy. Give that a shot.